So just recently, Grab is hiring a lead data scientist, and I'm going to try to understand what the job might look like, and you can also check to see if you may be the perfect candidate. So what Grab wants to do is to understand and forecast the behaviors of high net worth individuals. Grab has several revenue streams, from ride-hailing to product delivery, as well as finance technology through various partnerships with insurance and brokerage companies. So the most logical business question might be, how do we identify potential high net worth individuals from the use of these services within just 1 week of them signing up? And there are so many different ways to approach this question. One obvious approach is to use their geolocation data to kind of look at predicting their implied wealth. So what we can do is, for each individual, we can estimate their work location, their home location, and their range of movements through their ride-hailing app. Like, where do they hang out? Do they live in expensive neighborhoods? If the data team has already provided a label to certain customers that match this description as high net worth individuals, then what we can do is employ supervised machine learning. Our goal then is to train the model on the geolocation data and then see how it relates to the customer's implied wealth. It could be a regression model or a classification model. That really depends on how Grab wants to define this segment of customers. As for the type of model, I'm personally going to go for the random forest model first, just before using models that may be more accurate but potentially more expensive to train, like support vector machines or neural networks. Do you need a computer science degree for this role? I personally think that the CS degree is overkill. I think a familiarity with Python, Pandas, scikit-learn, and even PyTorch is the bare minimum. Unless there's a strict requirement to train and deploy the model with a local machine in-house. So that would require setting up CUDA to work with GPU for this very purpose. If you know what I'm talking about, it wouldn't hurt to apply for the job. Follow for more data science and machine learning topics.